city where it had to change as we all could see. Which lies us big and yet so small. Now we have to share here in Germany. When things look up, we're slinging it down. Arriving fast through United Towns. Clubs being closer, fights ahead. Now we have to share, so the chance. Life is an easy adventure. For 4 days, for kids in the east. Where should they say? How to be pleased? The freedom of speech, like democracy. Boy, life is an easy adventure. Can't you see? Life is an easy adventure. Life is an easy adventure. Can't you see? Life is an easy adventure. Fail 90. If you got a message, please send me a postcard now. And if you show your feelings, baby, my time machine will get it somehow. If you got a problem, don't beg the world for help. And if you need somebody, baby, my time machine will get it somehow. Back on the track. Here comes the loser. The master's back. If you got a message, please send me a postcard now. And if you got a vision, baby, don't do that movie. Here comes the loser. The master's back. Comes the loser, the master's back. Oh yes, yeah. The master's back. Here comes the master's back. It's not us. Early Sunday morning, 1,000 dreams I've understood. Driving with my darling, faster than I should. A green man stops me friendly. One look, he starts to smile. He says, never let me see your face again. I'm easy for a while, but I think I'm a fool. Try to breathe underwater. Driving with my darling, foolish on the road again. So danger isn't far. Steeply crushing metal. Police just lost a car, but I think I'm a fool. Try to breathe underwater. There is a time to understand Steve McQueen when you're driving in your car. And you think you look like James Bond when you're smoking your cigar. It's so bizarre. You think you are a new kind of James Dean, but the only thing I ever see of you was a commercial spot on the screen. You think you are a movie? You think you are a movie star? You should belong to the dance side. Fly your own private legions. But you work in a grocery store every day until you could afford to get away. So you went to Sweden to meet Ingmar Bergman. He wasn't there, or he just didn't care. I think it's time for you, my friend. Just stop pretending that you are. You think you are a movie. You think you are a movie star. Yeah! My sweetie. She came from the U-Bahn right now, auf mich zu. Mein Herz wurde fest.